I don't know about you, but as for me, sometimes I want to be seen, sometimes I want to be heard. But every time I say, Lord, it is not about me, it's you. Kill what must be killed. Quickly. Quickly. Kill what must be killed quickly. Before it kills me. Kill what must be killed. Quickly. Quickly. That needs to be someone's prayer tonight. Oh, so that the revival you are to carry, the weight will not kill you. Oh, I wish you know that the same fire that purifies is the same fire that consumes. The same fire, the same fire, the same fire. Oh, minister, do you run for the cause of the Lord, or you run for your selfish desire? That anointing upon you can kill.